Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm going to make a chicken noodle soup because it's cold today, so we need a soup to warm up our body. But anyway, so I have the 4 cups of chicken broth, but we're gonna need 2 more cups. I don't have a bigger size to put my soup or my broth. So I have the 2 cups of shredded chicken, roasted chicken that you can buy at any grocery store. That's what I did. And then the shredded cabbage, and also this is the noodles. We have to cook this separate. And then I have roasted crispy onions and cilantro, green onions, and powder, ginger powder, and a lot of garlic. Garlic is not only good for the heart, it's also natural antibiotic. That's what I find out. Anyway, let's get started. Alright, now the water is really boiling. So we only need to cook the noodles like less than 2 minutes. And we drain that. You heat put in the high. I'm going to put that here. Then turn off your heat. And we are going to remove this one and put it here. I don't have the strainer one, I put it in the pot already. Need to look for that. Alright, so we need to start the soup. And now let's put the broth there. Now we just waited until that get boil. Now it's boiling, so lower your heat to medium. Then drop some peppers. You can't really tell. And also the garlic. And the ginger. Gone. And we'll add the chicken. Alright, let's simmer that like 3 to 4 minutes. Now you adjust your sodium. You might need more chicken powder or broth or salt. Okay, now okay, now let's turn off the heat and drop all this cilantro and some of this. Just save some for garnish. That's ready to serve. So I put the noodles in the bowl like this, right there, and then we put some soup there. Alright, here is my chicken noodle soup, and thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okie dokie. See ya. God bless.